Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. 50 years ago in New Orleans, Louisiana, a taste sensation was born. What began with one small restaurant and one big idea turned into a craze that swept the nation and the world. It all started when Alvin C. Copeland Sr. opened Chicken Run in the New Orleans suburb of Arabi, serving traditional Southern fried chicken. After several months of lackluster performance, he reopens the restaurant as Popeyes, named after the famous character Popeye Doyle in the French Connection movie. Fast forward to 2019, America's favorite chicken chain, Popeyes, officially opens its first restaurant at Arcovia City in Pasig, Philippines. With this launch, diners can now get a taste of the much-talked-about signature fried chicken that's juicy, not greasy, made fresh daily, and is packed with Cajun-inspired flavors from Louisiana, USA. Also on the original menu are Popeyes classics such as honey biscuits, Cajun fries, Cajun rice, and chicken tenders. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Popeyes serves chicken dishes in mild and spicy flavors and offers sides such as Cajun fries, mashed potatoes with Cajun-style gravy, Cajun rice, and biscuits. In addition to our fried chicken line, Popeyes also serves an array of sandwiches such as shrimp and fish burgers, the famed U.S. spicy chicken sandwich, and chicken French quarter sandwich. Taking the Popeyes experience up a notch, our homegrown offerings, white chocolate and hazelnut biscuits, to delightful flavors, which is best paired with your fried chicken or can be served as perfect ending to a sumptuous meal. Popeye Spaghetti, a sweet, meaty meal that's developed right here for the Filipinos. Every Popeyes store is designed to be a memorable place of fun, laughter, and of course, awesome food. With an identity taking inspiration from the Mardi Gras parties on the streets of New Orleans, Popeyes, with its bright interiors featuring orange and vibrant color sensation of the NOLA wall, provide airy spaces and an invigorating feel. Colorful paintings and messages adorn the walls that entices a second look and selfie ops for all. Please like, share, and subscribe.